Hello, everyone. My challenge in Code Olympics that I got through rolling the dice the third time is the following. I have the first core constraint as a program never crashes and handles all inputs. Second is a line budget of maximum of 650 lines maximum. And third is the domain, which is quite interesting, like a visual creation of ASCII art, charts, and graphics. So first of all, uh, let me show you the count, code count. My code count is just under 650, 648 to be precise, including comments, uh, and also a lot of ASCII art. So let me show you what I built on the command prompt. So as you can see, it's a Starfield inspired project that I did, very much inspired by the Star Trek times, and to be able to create something of a voyage. So I'm calling it a Starfield.py. It's actually a Voyager, a galactic odyssey. And how it starts is that we get the mission brief from the Earth Command, and we are the commander of the Voyager spacecraft. So it says, here is your next mission. It tells us the galaxy that we have to explore. So primarily, we are exploring galaxies and star systems within the galaxies with certain missions. So in this case, the first mission that has been assigned to us is to visit Galaxy Andromeda. And objectives is to scan for life at star system Delta 4 with a reward of 200 points. Second is to analyze composition of another star system Sigma 5. And the third is to map the magnetosphere of the star system Beta 1. So all this has been assigned by the Earth command, and can press any key to accept the mission and commence the launch. So Andromeda, so this is where we get into Andromeda and we see the star systems. These are all random. We can go to different star systems. So I will start from the left side of the screen. It shows us the galaxy that we are visiting. The first target is to visit system Delta 4. And right now the fuel is at 993 and depleting as we are moving through the galactic space. The score right now is zero. As we saw, there were three tasks, 200 each. So right now we haven't accomplished any, so the score remains zero. And we are constantly covering astronomical units distance. Continuing on the left hand side, the captain's log, it says Voyager commissioned, engineer says fusion core stable, and then the crew is ready. The mission that was assigned is all tagged here. And this is our spacecraft. And I can move the arrows or through WSD, move it left, right, up, and down. And I can press an X to scan the star system. I can press the key Z to warp to another galaxy. P is to pick up certain power packs that we get at a random in a random way. For example, this is a power pack. I come near this and press P, then I get a power pack. I get an additional score and some fuel. And on pressing G, I see a galaxy map. On pressing I see the AI hints, what it tells us as a copilot, and Q is to quit. So right now, let me press G and show you the galaxy map. So we have the following galaxies to explore, and this version of the game that I built for this hackathon. And if I press I, it gives a hint. Threat scanners nominal but remain vigilant, and so on and so forth. That keeps giving. For example, now it says energy signature from uncharted debris is being recorded. So we have to be careful. Recommend scanning the nearby system. So it keeps us guiding us. The most interesting part is to move our ship, which is here in magenta color. So I can do. I'm right now pressing a left arrow, and now pressing a right arrow, and now pressing an up arrow, and now pressing a down arrow. So my first task is target is to go to system Delta 4 and do a scan to see whether there's life or not. So the thing is to go to the middle of the system and press X. So if you see on the right top, I pressed X, and the mission, that task is done. Now I have to move to the next target, and it shows on the top left target system of Sigma 5. So Sigma 5 is right here. I go to this system and press X again, and it's ticked on the right hand side box here. And the third system is system Beta 1, and it's right in the corner. So I just go to that, take my ship there, Voyager there, go to the middle of the star system and press X. And this mission is completed. And as we have seen, it's giving us 600 points and distance traveled. And then I see some nebulas in the background that keep appearing, and then the star system that you can see here, the stars. So what I can go, I'm done with this task right now. So I can do a press a Z to warp to the next galaxy. So right now warp is engaged. I'm moving to another galaxy, entering Sombrero, another galaxy. So now you can see Sombrero. Uh, uh, it has also star systems which are now randomly spread, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have got two assignments: map magnetosphere of alpha 4 and delta 3. So I will again use the arrow keys to move uh, to alpha 4, which is right down, go almost to the middle of it, and then press X to complete. It is completed on the top right side, and then move to delta 3 and press send. So that's how I complete this mission. My target score becomes 1000. I'm still traveling, and then I press Z again to go to the through the warp, going to another galaxy. It's now galaxy is called Whirlpool, and I see we see yet another star system to be explored. So this is how you can keep exploring. And when I press G to see the galaxy map, I've already visited two. Right now I'm on Whirlpool, and I have a few more to visit. So this way I can continue. There are many opportunities to extend this game to make it more and more interesting, and also to using more of ASCII art, which I've tried here in terms of stars, the nebula in the background, all of these screen layouts, my spaceships. They're also random. If you see, this became a little bit bigger. The star systems are in different shapes, so there's a lot of opportunity to extend all of this. So thanks to this hackathon to give me an opportunity to build something like this, and continue to merge my passion of technology as well as from a space and galaxies standpoint. So thank you very much. So once we press Q to quit, we see a final mission report going to the Earth command. It tells us the galaxy that we've just visited. The last galaxy, the score is 1000. Distance in AU, we covered 85.0771 AU astronomical units. So while traveling through the galaxies, the energy consumed was 112.32. And then this mission report is saved into a JSON and a text file, both. Uh, and we can use it further to compile. For example, this text document here, the .txt file, it has everything, whatever we visited, whatever score we got, and everything. Score here and everything else. And we could, in a future version, we could use these reports to compile the mission. So it's all here, what we did. So yeah, thank you very much, everyone. This was quite interesting to build, and hope to see you again. Thank you.